Very warm welcome all of you. Today's topic is operator. So operator, before entering into the topic operator, we need to know some basic steps. What is meant by operand and what is meant by operation. So operand is nothing but a value and variables are said to be the operand. And the operator is some operation we are going to perform with that value. That is said to be the operator. So here we will having 4 plus 5. Here 4 plus 5 is said to be the operand and plus is said to be the operator. So there are various types of operation involved in Python programming language. Let me elaborate each and everything. So first thing is arithmetic operation. So the operations come under arithmetic operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and module. So we know addition is adding of two numbers. So directly we will go to the terminal. So there is no need to explain this thing. Yeah. So I am opening the IDLE and in IDLE I am opening the script mode. So in script mode, for performing the arithmetic operation, we basically need two variables. So for that I am assuming A as a one variable and B as a one another variable. So we will having the two types of option. Either we will get the input from the user or else we can get the input directly at program itself. So here I am going to getting the input from the user. So for that I am entering as int input enter a value. Enter a value and same thing for the B also. Int input enter B value. Enter B value. I am closing the bracket. So now we are going to see the arithmetic operation. So the first arithmetic operation is addition. So we need another variable to store the result. So for that I am giving C. So A plus B. So the value of A and value of B will be added and it will be stored into the C. So I am simply printing the value of C as addition, comma C. I am simply printing the value of B. Now I am running this program. Either you can press F5 to run or else you can directly go to the run menu to run the program. So before running the program, we need to save the program with .py extension. So it's asking the value for the A, I'm giving value as 10 and asking the value for the B, I'm giving value as 5. So the addition operation will be performed and my answer will be the 15. So here in this program, I'm going to add the another line A minus B. What will happen? It will be subtract the two number and it will show the result. So subtract the two number and it will show the result. So same thing, C is equal to A product of B. So it multiplies the two number and the result will be stored in C and that result will be printed by means of print statement and A divided by B. A divided by A, C is equal to A divided by B. So I am performing the division operation. So divide, comma C and C is equal to A module of B. So in module it will always return the remainder of the division. It always returns the remainder. So module, comma C. Okay. Now saving the program and running the program. So again it's asking me to enter the value. I am entering the two values 10 and 5. So we know that A plus B, 10 plus 5 15, 10 minus 5 5 and 10 into 5 50. Then we will divide these two things. We will have the 2 as quotient and 0 as a remainder. So the module will always return the remainder. So this is a first operation in the operator of Python programming language. So these are the arithmetic operation. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modding. The next operation is relation operation. So relation operators are used to compare the two values. So the sum of the relation operation are greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, equal to, not equal to. So these are the sum of the relation operator. So let me go to the terminal. So here also we need the two numbers. So the output of this will be the always true or false. It will print either true or false. So here also we need the two variables. We are going to compare the value of two variables. So I am entering, I am getting the value from the user. So next thing is I am going to compare the two values. So print. Here first I am going to compare the lesser operator. Lesser operator. So here A is less than B. If A is less than B, then it will print the output as true. So for relational operator, the output will be either true or false. So now I am saving the program and running the program. I am executing the program. So it is asking the value for A. So 5, and for B I am giving 2. So it is less. Whether 5 is less than 2? No, absolutely no. So the answer will be the false. Now we will execute the remaining operation. Print. The next operation is greater operation. Greater than operation. So we need to check A is greater than B. If it is greater than B, then print true. If it is not greater than B, then print as false. The same procedure has to be repeated for all the operations for the relation operation. So less, greater than, less than or equal to, less than or equal to. So whatever the things I am giving inside the string, that will be print as it is. So less than or equal to B. So relational operator is used to compare the two variables, compare the two things, and return the output will be always either in the form of true or false, greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. So A has to be greater than or equal to. We are checking the condition. So next thing is print of equal to equal to. Equal to equal to. A is to equal to B. A is equal to B. Next option is print of not equal to B. Not equal to B. So I am checking the same thing. Not. So not equal to is represented by explanatory mark equal to B. Comma. So that's all. We had covered all the operations: less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. So these are the relational operations. So it takes the two variables, value of two variables. Now I am running the program. So it asking me to enter the value. It asking me to enter the value. For A value I am giving 10, and for B value I am giving 5. So first thing is less than. Whether 10 is less than 5? No. So the answer will be absolutely false. 10 is greater than 5? Yes, the answer is true. Less than or equal to. It is not less than, and it is also not equal to. At least one condition has to be satisfied. So the answer will be false. Whereas here, the 10 and 5 is not equal, but 10 is greater than 5. That's why the answer is true. And equal to false, not equal to true. So these are the things present in the relational operation. These are the things present in the relational operation. So relational operation is used to compare the two values in a variable. Next thing is logical operation. So in logical operation, we having the three things: AND operator, OR operator, NOT operator. So the use of AND operator is it compares the both operator and return true if the both operator is true. Here we can take the example of this here. So here the less than and equal to condition has to be true. Then only it will return true. If it is or means, if it is logical or means any one condition, if any one condition true, then it will return the true option. That is, it will return as a true. Not logical operator is, if it is true, the reverse of the output will be written. The reverse of the output will be written. So I am executing the example that will make you clearly understandable. So here too, I need two variables. Here too, I need two variables. So print. What I'm saying is A has to be first operation is AND operator. So AND operator means the both condition has to be true. The both condition has to be true. So what are the condition I'm giving is A has to be greater than B and A has to be equal to B. A has to be equal to B. If the both condition is true only, the output will be true. If any one of the condition is false, then the output will be remained as a false. So now I am running the code. I am running the program. Yeah, equal to. So it asking the value for A, I am giving us 5, and value for the B also I am giving us 5. So the answer will be false, because why? It has to be greater than, A has to be greater than B. If suppose I am giving greater than or equal to, if suppose I am giving as greater than or equal to, then the answer will be true. I am giving same 5 and 5. The answer is true, because it has to satisfy the both conditions. If one of the condition is failed, the output will be false. And the same thing for the or also. So in or, at least one condition has to be true. I am taking the same condition. I am simply copy paste it. Yeah. So saving the program and running the program again. So it asking the value. I am giving 5 and also 5. So what will, here I will remove equal to simple in order to show you the difference between and or. So it asking the value 5. So what will happen? If the both conditions will be true, then the output of AND will be true. If any one condition of AND is false, the output will be remain false. Whereas in OR, at least one condition has to be true. Okay. So next thing is OR not operator. So not operator is nothing but it is the reverse of output. It will print the reverse of the output. Here I am not of A greater than B. A greater than B. If the output is true, then if I performing not operation, it will show as false. Okay. The reverse of the obtained output. The reverse of obtained output. And between same thing 5 and 5. So here A is not greater than B. The output is false for this thing. And I am applying the not operator for this thing. So the output will be the true. So my output will be true. So these are the three logical operators and or not. And both condition has to be true. At least one condition has to be true. Not means reverse of the given output. Reverse of the obtained output. So this is the example which we had seen now. Next thing is assignment operator. So the basic assignment operator is equal to. So here we will have it plus equal to, minus equal to, into equal to, divide equal to, module equal to. What happened means, here listen to the example. A plus B is equal to B. It will be written in the form of A plus B, and the answer will be stored into A itself. So I am running the program. So here too I need to have the two variables. So in arithmetic operator, we will having the another extra variable to store the result. So in assignment operator, there is no need of extra variable. We can store at the first variable itself. So same thing, in order to store the space, we will going for the assignment operator, add. The same output will be obtained. So what happened here is, the value of A and B is add, and it will store at the A variable itself. There is no need to create another new variable. That is the use of assignment operator. So it asking the value for the A variable, I am giving 10, and asking the value for the B variable, I am giving 5. So add is equal to 15. The same thing, A minus B is equal to A. Print of sub comma A. Next, A into B. So what happened here is, the product of A and B will be stored inside the A itself. There is no need of creating the new variable. So A divided by B, A divided by B, print of divide comma A. Okay, I am running the program now. So it's asking the value for the A, I am giving us 10. Value for the B, I am giving us 5. So it will showing the output. So it will be 15, 10, 50 and 10. Okay. So it will directly store the value in the first variable itself. So that is the use of assignment operator. So next operator is bitwise operator. So bitwise operators are used to perform in bit level of operation. So what is meant by bit level of operation means, it converts a given value to the decimal numbers. It converts the given value in the decimal form. That is binary form. That given decimal number, 60 is a decimal number. The given decimal number is converted in the binary form. After converting, it performs the AND operation, OR operation, NOT operation, and complement operation, whatever it may be. Okay, so this is the use of bitwise operator. So bitwise operator, it first converts the given decimal number to the binary number. After converting, it performs AND operation. So what is meant by AND operation? Both condition has to be true. Here the both digit has to be 1. If the both digit is 1, then the output will be 1. If the any one of the digit is 0, then the output will be the 0. And same thing, R. So at least one digit has to be 1. And next thing is XOR operation. Both digit has to be same. The both digit has to be same. If it is same only, it will give 0. If it is different, it will give as 1. So kindly go through the truth table of AND, OR and NOT. Next thing is complement operator. Complement is the reverse of given number. If it is 1, it will give us a 0. If it is 0, it will give us a 1, like that. Left shift. Left shift means it shifts the 2 character. That is 2 value towards the left. It will shift the 2 value towards the left. Right shift operator is it shifts the 2 values towards the right side. For example, take this thing. So 60. If by performing left shift, this 1 will be come towards the 0th position, and this 1 will be come towards this position. So what will happen is 1, 1, and the next digit. This one will be come under that third bit. Come to the third bit. So this will be your output for the left shift of 60. Left shift of 50. It will simply shift the first 2 character. it will simply shift the first 2 digits towards the left. If I give 3 here means what will happen? It will simply shift the first 3 bits towards the left side. Whereas right shift means it will shift 2 bits towards the right side, towards the outside. So what will happen if it shift 2 bits means it's 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. So I am explaining the program. So for this also we require 2 variables. So what happen here is convert the given decimal number to the binary number. After that only it perform the operation. A and of B. A and of B. Print of C. So I am running this program. So what will happen? It convert the given bit. It will convert the given decimal number. If I am giving 60 and then 70, so the output will be 4. What will happen means it convert the given decimal number to the binary number. After converting, it perform the AND operation. The same thing for the OR operation also. A, OR of B and print of C. The same thing is for the XOR operation. A is equal to XOR of B. Print of C. And complement operation. Next thing is right shift and left shift. It shifts the 2 bits towards the right side. It shifts the 2 bits towards the left side. That's all. C. And C is equal to A right shift of 2. Print of C. So here it will convert the given digit in the binary form. After converting, it will produce the output. After converting, it will give the output. So suppose I am giving 4 and 2. 4 and 2. So the answer will be 0, 6, 1, 1, 16. It performs the bit level of operation. So next operation is membership operator. So in membership operator, there are 2 types of operator. In, not in. In, not in. So it is generally used for list, tuple, dictionary data types. So what happened is, consider I had given one list. So the list will be identified by means of square bracket. So here next thing is 5 in X. So the name of the list is X, 5 in X. Yeah, the 5 is present. The value 5 is present in the X list. So then it will be written true. If 5 is not in X, the 5 is already present in the list. So this condition will be written as a false as output. Next thing is the identity operator. So identity operator, there are 2 types of operator. One thing is and is not. Is and is not. To check whether the true value is same or not. To check whether the true value is same or not. For example, I am A is equal to hello and B is equal to hello. Okay. So first thing is print A is B. Print A is B. Print A is B. Now I am running the program. So whether it checks the 2 things are same. No, it is absolutely not same, because in A variable we are having the small letter h, in B variable we are having the capital letter h. So they will return as false. So I am giving capital H and running the coding. Yeah, it will be true because the both things in this variables are true. That is, the both things in the variables are same. That's why it is returning the true. So these are the identity operator. Identity, from the name itself, we will having the meaning. Identity means it compares the value of the two operator. So these are the various types of operations present in the Python programming language. First thing is arithmetic operator. I like to revise the topics. Yeah. First thing is arithmetic operator. In arithmetic operator, we will having plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and module. Next thing is relational operator. It is used for comparison of two variables, values in the two variables. The output of relation operator is usually in the form of true or false. Assignment operator. Next, logical operator and not and or not. Bitwise operator is used to perform bit level of operation. It converts the given decimal number to the binary form. After converting the binary form, it will perform the AND, OR, XOR, right shift and right shift operation. So number shift operator in, not in. It need to check whether the given number is present in the particular list or string. Like that, if we need to check, then we will go for the membership operator. And then identity operator. It checks whether the both values present in the variables are same, identical. If it is identical, it returns as true. If it is not identical, it will return as a false. So thank you.